Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to create this stylized environment in Maya. I'm going to create the base for this environment, and for that I'm going to take a very basic cube. I'm going to change its height and depth. And I'm also going to go to edge mode and select all these edges and add a bevel. Now again I'm going to press shift and right click and select this connect tool. Click on it and add some segments. Now in the top view, I'm going to vertex mode and select these vertices to create some damage. Now again I'm going to top view and create some duplicates and place them like this. Now we are done with our base. You can also go to top view and in the vertex mode and change some of these vertices so that they don't look similar. And now we are done with our base. Select all of them and bring them in the middle of grid. And now I'm going to select these 4 planks and duplicate them. So go to front view, duplicate them and place them here. And I'm going to take another cube, pull this up, go to front view and change its parameters. And again I'm going to edge mode and select all these edges and add a bevel. Now bring it here, and in the front view again create some duplicates. Now select all of them and place them somewhere here, and again go to right view, create another duplicate and place them on this side, maybe a little closer. Now select some of these and combine them, create another duplicate and rotate them. Place them here. And separate them and delete this last one. And we also need to select all of them again, combine them one more time and create a duplicate. Bring them this side to create the door, and again separate. Go to right view and select these planks in middle, combine them, go to vertex mode, select all these vertices and pull them up to create the door. Now select these 3 planks, maybe 4, combine them, create a duplicate and rotate. Place them on this side. Go to top view and drag them here. Go to vertex mode, and in the wireframe select these vertices and place them here. You can also try scaling them, but it won't work that good, so let's just keep them as it is. To create the room on the top, just select all these planks and combine them. Create another duplicate. Place it on the top and rotate. Now to create the roof, just take another cube, place it on the top, and for the top view, place this in the middle and increase its width and depth. Decrease the height to 0.3 or maybe 0.5. Go to front view and place it here. Now go to face mode, select this face and extrude and give it some offset. Now again select this face and press Ctrl E and extrude again, and this time give it some thickness in the negative value to minus 0.25. Go to edge mode again and select all these edges. And add a bevel. So we have created half of our model, and in the next video we are going to create some more details and the props in the reference. If you like this video and the content I make, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, and till then, thank you for watching.